if you currently have a lot of customers that have organically came through your pipeline over the past, 3 months, 6 months, and you're not running ads, here's how you turn organic buyers into massive scale on cold traffic. Okay, so if you run an organic based business, I don't care if it's an e-com store, you're a local painting company, you're a coach, a consultant, and over the past, maybe year, you've gotten, 200 plus customers, right? And you're saying to yourself, all right, cool. How can I turn this up and completely 3x my business in the next 12 months? Like, how am I going to do that? You take all those buyers and all that data from those 200 people. You now know who's your most common avatar. You now know, what their LTV is. You now know what their buying behaviors are. What are they interested in? What phase in life are they in? What is their, their usual household income? That is, where they're first starting from and where you're taking them. Like, what are your buyers? If you're a coach or consultant, you're looking for, all right, where is this business currently in revenue? Where is this person in their life, in their personal life? Do they have kids? Are they married? Like, what's their age? What's your biggest gender? Like, what is your preferred ideal paying customer? And now it's just a matter of using that organic data, the amount of social proof from your current buyers, and using that to leverage on cold traffic. So if you have 200 buyers and they're 35 to 54 females, you're going to ask, you're going to send out an email and say, hey, if you want a free month of consulting next month, I want 10 testimonials, like 10 people to give me a testimonial. The first 10 people are going to get a free month of consulting. So you get 10 video testimonials. You create a landing page with your unique offer and you stack it with that social proof being congruent to the offer. And now you're going to run ads to 35 to 54-year-olds who are females. And that congruency is going to allow you to take your cold traffic and scale you. Okay. Also, you take that email list, you take all those buyers, upload them to Facebook, and you can now find people just like those 35 to 54-year-olds who maybe have 2 kids, who are married, who maybe all of them live in California. I don't care what it is, but now you can optimize those organic buyers and that organic pipeline that you've had for so long and just multiply these people 2, 3, 4 times that amount with just paid traffic. And if you have the social proof to back it up, you're literally going to tap into a whole new revenue source. Like when I had, just some leads coming through my Calendly, I took all those leads from Calendly, made a lookalike audience, and then I ran my templates offer, and I was making money from day one. So it's like you take what you already have organically that you hustled and put sweat equity in, and then you multiply with paid ads.